Why is Woodedtech WPC decking better? Due to its features such as its high degree of UV stability, highly resistant to extreme weather, moisture and termites, and low maintenance, Woodedtech WPC decking will outperform conventional timbers in many areas. The result is Woodedtech WPC decking products won't rot, crack, warp or splinter so long as installed and used as recommended, meaning you can rest easy for years. Since Woodedtech have many years experience to research and development and export WPC products, Woodedtech has led the way in composite decking products. From our first decking product, our ranges have grown to include marine board and fencing board, and now, more products are in the pipeline such as solid decking board. The vision of Woodedtech is to continually pioneer composite decking products in the future. We look forward to keeping you informed along the way. We will cover topics such as technical information, new products, and handy tips.